Welcome back to social media marketing. This video is dedicated to just warnings. So this is going to be kind of a lengthy video because Facebook overall is a mess. All right. A lot of you don't like Facebook, but you kind of got to be there because everybody's there. You don't want to lose touch with all your high school friends and all your family members and everything. So you keep a Facebook account, but you really don't, peruse on Facebook or check out things on Facebook. So anyway, the first warning I want to make is regarding Facebook emails, alerts. Don't ever click any link because uh, people are trying to get into Facebook, get your account, hold it for ransom. Um, Facebook will never email you a link, and if they do, don't click it anyway. Um, Clicking in, it could be a fake email that looks like it's from Facebook and it's not. That's a phishing scam. And then when you click it, it tells you to log in. What it's doing, it's capturing your password and your username, and it's got all your information. So be ready for hijackers to take over. So I have been twice. This has happened to me twice. I know for a fact that people can take over your page, your Facebook page, your business page. They can take it over without having access to your personal account. And I don't know how they're doing it. I have not figured this out yet. You guys probably have seen videos and websites that do it. I don't even care. The bottom line is Facebook needs to plug that hole. As of today, Monday, May 18th, 2020, as we're under quarantine, they still have this issue. Right now, my Facebook page has been taken over. It's gone as of right now. I'll get it back probably in about a week. I've done this before. This is ridiculous that some stranger can get a role on my page like manager or editor or whatever, and then just proceed to take me out of the admin position and kick me off the page and block me completely and take total control over. There are people who do this on a regular basis. I know people who've had their page hijacked like 5 times in a year. I know a buddy of mine has, he's been through it. He has 500,000 people on his Facebook page. He always broadcasts live from, I won't say it, so in case anybody's watching this and anybody who wants to do harm to him, he's poor guy. He's been through a lot. So Facebook pages can be hacked and taken over, and you could be booted off. So I don't have the Cooking with Jack show page right now. And what they do is they sell it to the highest bidder. They sell your information. They contact all my friends. I had like 40,000 people on there. I didn't know most of them, but they were kind enough to stick around and be on my page. And I hate to see pornography or ads or anything sent to them via messenger. So that's one thing. Facebook pages are not safe. So if you're going to get into Facebook, here's another warning. I have discovered this. Facebook has an algorithm for sharing things. So let's say 1,000 people like your paint by numbers store. You got a paint by numbers store, and there's 1,000 likes. Okay, and they all like it, and you put everything on sale. You want to let everybody know. So you go on your Facebook page and you tell everybody, hey, we're on sale, 50% off all of our paint by numbers. Okay, Facebook will not serve that post to all 1,000 people. They'll serve it to 20, literally. They don't let you reach 100% of your audience. They serve it like I had like back in the day when I had 17,000, I calculated they only served to 200 people. Now I wanted to announce something, a new video or something, to 17,000 people. I don't want you determining who I reach. So Facebook pages only does a little bit. The way to get to everybody is to ask them to comment or like it, because if there's no action on that post, it goes to nobody else. So it only reaches 200 people of 17,000 or 20 people of 1,000 or whatever. Whatever their algorithm is, I don't know. But they never serve your entire audience, which that's why I have gone to cookingwithjack.com, and I can now reach my entire audience. Everybody who likes my website, I can give 100% announcement to them. I don't have to rely on the big arm of Facebook. So That's why a lot of people, a lot of businesses have stopped. It used to be awesome to have a business on Facebook. Not anymore. It's too limiting now. They want you to boost. They want you to pay to speak, to have all that. So I am warning you guys that when you post something on your Facebook page, not everybody's going to see it. Make sure there's activity on the post. If you have to go in every 10 minutes, put a little dot and then comment, just a period, just to fool the algorithm to send it to more people. Have you ever noticed that when a post does well, it keeps doing well because it keeps getting served. The more people that comment on it, the more people that see it, the more people that like it, the more people that see it, and it just grows and grows. That's their stupid algorithm. Personally, I want to reach everybody who likes my page. They liked my page because they want information about my page. So when there's information to be said, they should be receiving it. Anyway, so that's the other warning. They don't serve everybody. So you're better off building your own website and not relying, unless you can't afford it. I get it. Start out with Facebook page, and then when you can afford it, buy your own page. I go with Wix. I've done a commercial for them. They're a great service. I've used them. I've used other ones like Squarespace and everything else. But Wix is the cheapest, most inexpensive. They have everything. You can get a free shopping cart with Ecwid, ECWID.com. Ecwid, I've been using them for over a decade to sell my barbecue sauces or all my sauces and seasonings. And it's free up to so many items. And then you got to pay like $10 or something like that. But anyway, so Facebook isn't the best, but it's large. There's so many people there that it really, and keep looking at your privacy. Sometimes my privacy gets sent back to friends, so it's not a public announcement. So if I say something's going on, I read something in the news that everybody should know, you got to set your privacy to public, because if my friend sees it and he wants to share it with his friends and they're not my friends, he can't share it. That's why you see that notification, this item is not available now or something. Sorry, this item isn't, whatever. So that's how it works. So you want to make sure your status, you'll see it right by your little icon of who you are, a little picture. It'll say friends or public or close friends or whatever. So there's a lot of things you got to look out for Facebook. That's where a lot of the hackers are. I have friends that have had their, I've had friends that have their accounts, their personal accounts taken, which I have not experienced that yet. So I'm working on getting back my business page. And then I personally might just shut it down, because if you want to know anything going on, I'll just start communicating everything through YouTube and not worry about Facebook. If they can't protect me, what use is it to build something on Facebook? So I'm not going to spend my years, I've been on Facebook for over a decade. I'm going to spend all my years building something on Facebook so that somebody from the other side of the country can jack it. And Facebook knows it. I know Facebook knows it. I know people it's happened to again and again and again. They keep asking questions. Nobody's done a video. I'm waiting for that video on how they're doing it so I can try to plug that hole. But for right now, I'm just warning you. Once you get a lot of people, they're going to try and take over your page, sell it off to the highest bidder, and it's very hard to get a hold of Facebook. Now, let me tell you how I'm getting a hold of Facebook. If you're a business and that page is yours and you own the trademark to your business name, so let's say you're Joe's Burgers, okay? And somebody takes over your business page and you own the trademark to Joe's Burgers, the way to get a hold of Facebook tries to send you to their help center is garbage. It tells you nothing. Change your password and unplug your computer and plug it back in. I mean, it's just stupid stuff. Very stupid tech stuff. They do everything possible not to speak to you. The best way is to do a kind of a copyright infringement, okay? Go in through there, make sure, because they're going to send you to the help center. Send you to the help center unless you basically say, my rights have been violated, copyright. But please be honest. If you don't have the trademark to your name, you got to find another way to reach Facebook. Another way to reach Facebook is hit all their social media. So if you write them in Facebook, you tag them in Facebook, go to your personal page and tag and mention what's going on. I tell everybody. Everybody knows right now that my page is gone. So I tell everybody, who knows, maybe one person works at Facebook, I don't know. So anyway, I go to Twitter, I go to their Instagram page, I put it on every one of their social medias. And I even act like I'm an advertiser and I want to spend money. You want you want somebody to talk to you? Act like you're going to spend money on their company, and you'll get somebody. But basically, the worst case scenario, if you're losing lots of money because they took away your page, I recommend that you pay a lawyer a couple $100 to write a letter to Facebook, mail it in regular mail, snail mail, okay? Or FedEx and make them sign for it or whatever you want to do. If you have an account, then go with whatever your account is. Okay, UPS, FedEx, doesn't matter. Make them sign for it. Even the post office, you could make them sign for it. Once they sign for it, they think it's legal. Okay, then anything after that that happens, damages wise, they're going to be responsible for. So notify them about everything. Give them proof of who you are. I mean, I've had to do like everything, but I never got a lawyer. But that's what I would do if worst came. If I don't own the trademark, but I need my page back, and I had ownership of the page and it got jacked, I'd get a lawyer for a couple $100. That when a letter arrives from a lawyer, it wakes up YouTube, it wakes up Google, it wakes up Facebook, it wakes up Instagram, it just wakes up everybody. It's like, oh, this is a legal letter. So that's my recommendation. Facebook has a lot of flaws. Be careful. Don't spend too much time or investment into Facebook. But next week, we're going to teach you how to broadcast live on Facebook. Some of you still may want to use that feature. Broadcasting live is great. Let's say you guys are having a sale like the bundt cakes. You sell bundt cakes and they're like, half price for the next 2 hours. You may want to go live and show how many people are lined out the door for a personal bundt cake. All right. So live can be good. I'll talk about some reasons to use live. Don't go live. Oh, I'm sitting by the pool, just bored, nobody to talk to. Don't do that. All right. So I've given you the warnings on Facebook. Next week, I'll show you how to continue using Facebook features, one including the live. So we're going to do a broadcast live, and we will film that, and then we'll move on to some other social media platforms. Okay. I love you guys. Be safe. Change your passwords often. Two-step verification turned on everything. I really care about your protection. Okay. I love you. Take care. Bye-bye.